Anthropic just open-sourced their entire financial services agent stack, 12 named agents, 7 skill bundles, 11 MCP data connectors, Apache 2.0, 11.1k stars and climbing. This is Anthropic/financial-services, Anthropic's official reference implementation for Claude and financial services. The README puts it directly: reference agents, skills, and data connectors for the financial services workflows we see most: investment banking, equity research, private equity, and wealth management. Everything ships 2 ways from one source. Install it as a Claude Cowork plugin, or deploy it through the Claude Managed Agents API behind your own workflow engine. Same system prompt, same skills, same agents. You choose where it runs. 12 named end-to-end agents covering coverage and advisory, research and modeling, fund admin and ops, plus onboarding and compliance. 7 vertical skill bundles. 11 MCP data connectors to FactSet, S&P Global, Moody's, Daloopa, PitchBook, Morningstar, and the rest of the FSI data stack. 11.1k GitHub stars. Apache 2.0 licensed. This is the blueprint for production Claude in finance. The thing to understand first is the shape. This is not a Python SDK, it's not a framework. It's a Git repository full of pre-built Claude agent definitions, skill markdown files, and MCP data connector configs that you fork and customize for your firm. Each named agent is a self-contained bundle, its own system prompt, its own skill set, its own /commands, its own connector dependencies. The pitch agent, for example, knows how to do comps, precedents, and an LBO, then drafts a branded pitch deck end-to-end. The earnings reviewer ingests the earnings call and the filings, updates a model, and drafts the note. The GL reconciler finds breaks, traces root cause, and routes for sign-off. None of these are demos, they're starting points you fork. The whole repo is structured to be a customization base. Replace the connectors, edit the system prompts, swap in your firm's templates, validate with the included scripts, deploy. Anthropic gives you the blueprint, you make it yours. The 12 named agents, by function. Coverage and advisory, pitch agent for end-to-end branded pitch decks, meeting prep agent for client briefing packs. Research and modeling, market researcher for sector and industry overviews, earnings reviewer for post-earnings note drafts, model builder for DCF, LBO, 3-statement, and comps live in Excel. Fund admin, valuation reviewer for GP packages and LP reporting, GL reconciler for break analysis and sign-off routing, month-end closer for accruals and roll forwards and variance commentary, statement auditor for LP statements before distribution. Operations, KYC screener that parses onboarding docs, runs a rules engine, and flags gaps. Each agent in its own directory under plugins/agent-plugins. Each one has its own agent.md system prompt, its own skill imports, its own /commands. Self-contained. You install the ones you need, leave the rest. That's the unit of deployment. Install is the standard Claude plugin marketplace flow. Claude plugin marketplace add anthropics/Claude- for dash. Financial-services adds the marketplace. Then Claude plugin install financial-analysis at the marketplace. Name installs the core skills bundle plus all the MCP data connectors. That's the foundation, everything else extends. From there, you install the named agents you actually want. Claude plugin install pitch-agent for the pitch agent. Claude plugin install GL-reconciler for the GL reconciler, plus the vertical skill bundles, investment-banking, equity-research, private-equity, wealth-management, all from the same marketplace. For headless deployment via the Claude Managed Agents API, the repo ships scripts/deploy-managed-agent.sh. Pass it the agent slug, set the Anthropic API key, and the agent gets registered behind the API endpoint of your choice. What you actually use after install, the agents fire on /commands inside Claude Code or Claude Cowork, /comps for comparable company analysis, /DCF for a DCF valuation with WACC, /earnings for the post-earnings quarterly update, /IC-memo for an investment committee memo, /LBO for a leveraged buyout model, /3-statement-model for a 3-statement template, /debug-model for an Excel formula audit. Each one is wired to a skill that knows the canonical Wall Street format, the inputs to ask for, the outputs to produce, and the model template to populate. The /commands feel like familiar shell shortcuts. Under the hood, they're full Claude agent invocations with skills, MCP tool access, and the firm-specific context you've configured. 2 more layers. The 7 vertical skill bundles. Financial-analysis is the core. Every agent depends on it for shared modeling tools and the MCP connector layer. Then the verticals, investment-banking for CIMs, teasers, merger models, buyer lists. Equity-research for earnings notes, initiations, catalyst tracking, thesis maintenance. Private-equity for sourcing, due diligence checklists, IC memos, portfolio monitoring. Wealth-management for client reviews, financial plans, tax loss harvesting. Fund-admin for GL recon, NAV tie-out, accruals. Operations for KYC rules grids. Partner-built for LSEG and S&P Global integration specifically. The 11 MCP data connectors named Daloopa, Morningstar, S&P Global, FactSet, Moody's, MT Newswires, IERA, LSEG, PitchBook, Chronograph, Ignite. That's the actual data stack a real FSI workflow runs on. The skills know which connector to query, the agents compose multiple skills, and the whole thing is glued by Anthropic's MCP protocol, real plumbing. By the numbers. 11.1K GitHub stars on Anthropics/financial-services. Apache 2.0 license. Fork-friendly, production-friendly, no commercial restrictions on the code. Codebase is 87% Python by line count, with the rest in agent definition markdown and configuration JSON. Built and maintained by Anthropic. Official, with the claude-for-financial-services initiative behind it. 12 named end-to-end agents covering 4 functional areas. 7 vertical skill bundles plus partner-built integrations from LSEG and S&P Global. 11 MCP data connectors covering the major FSI data vendors. Dual deployment supported, same system prompt and skills run on Claude Cowork, or via the Claude Managed Agents API. Customization path is documented. Fork the repo, swap connectors, edit prompts, validate with the check script, deploy. There's a passage in the README that's important to read carefully. The disclaimer. Nothing in this repository constitutes investment, legal, tax, or accounting advice. These agents draft analyst work product, models, memos, research notes, for review by a qualified professional. Every output is staged for human sign-off. That framing is the whole product philosophy. These aren't autonomous trading bots or unsupervised compliance officers. They're high-leverage analyst tools that produce drafts of human reviews and ships. That distinction matters legally, but it also matters strategically. The design assumption is that an analyst's time is the bottleneck, not their judgment. Drafts are cheap, judgment is expensive, and the agent's job is to maximize the ratio. That's a more honest framing of what AI in finance actually does today than most pitches you'll see, and it tells you exactly how to evaluate this repo. If you're a firm willing to keep humans in the loop on every output, this is a serious starting point. If you're hoping to remove humans, this isn't the right tool. Anthropics/financial-services, 12 agents, 7 skill bundles, 11 MCP connectors, Apache 2.0, star the repo, fork it, ship analyst leverage.